All right, guys, so got a lot of work done trying to make sure that we got the correct setup position, the putter shaft going straight through the forearms right here, not going to see anything, don't want to see the bottom of the putter. And really did a good job making sure that we're in the correct setup position with the golf ball falling from the eyes, making sure that it's going to go right over the hosel point, okay? I've got a quick 3-footer here set up and a simple putting gate. This is a Momentous inside and down the line. As I was saying earlier, there's no such thing as a straight back, straight through putting stroke, but we can get close, and this is one of those close scenarios here, okay? So really all I want to talk about here is just how we're moving this putter, all right? This is very much shoulder based, very much in a situation where we're going to try and make sure that we are not using our wrists. This is the last thing we want to do when we putt, okay? We're going to try and keep those wrists very stable and rock our shoulders back and forth while keeping our lower body from moving. We don't want to see, actually go from this view, enjoy that. We don't want to see a rocking of our hips as we're putting. We want to make sure that they stay very stable the whole time. So our lower body stays locked in, and then our shoulders will actually move this putter versus our hands or our hips doing it, okay? This is going to give us the best opportunity to be able to control the putter face as long as possible, all right? There's a little bit more that goes into that, but if we can really get solid at making sure that the shoulders are moving it and that's it, then we're going to be doing ourselves a really good favor, okay? So as we get set up right here, we want to make sure that we're going to make sure that we get in a really good setup position with our eyes over the top of the hosel. I'm going to keep my lower body very, very stable, and I'm going to rock my shoulders in what's going to feel like a left shoulder down and a left shoulder up function. So down and up. And that's going to allow me the best opportunity to make sure that my putter feels like it's going straight back and straight through. And so it's not a function of an around, it's almost like a down and up as we go through this. Okay? What happens is that we still are making a rotation, but we are actually in a bent over position. So that down and up function is us actually rotating around our spine. Okay, so we're going to be able to make sure that we get really good, solid, consistent rolls by making sure that we get our eyes over the hosel, and then we're going to send that left shoulder down and then up, and we're going to find the center of the hole every single time. Give it a try.